Working again today, fixing a truck. It's got some play in this gear. Customer asked to just put a tack weld on it. So here we go. I'd like to point out that I am not a welder, but I can stick two pieces of metal together. Whether they last forever, I doubt it. That's why I don't weld anything structural. This is just a little gear that runs a chain on this battery changer. At the end of the video, you'll see how it works. But again, just using a welder that's not perfect with a guy who's not a welder. So yeah, this is kind of how it turned out. Ugly. The other side, I went to it and put a tack on it. It turned out a little better. I think the other side was pulling grease out at me and was just contaminating the welds and just wasn't happy. Here's my little Chinese Amazon welder. Seems to be okay. The gear is underneath the truck pulling on a chain that moves this big magnet in or out, pulling on the batteries, get them in and out of the trucks or on and off the charging rack. Done.